Green Bay Wacky. I do news, comedy skits, how-to videos, original music videos, and fun and interesting live streams. You gotta go to my playlist. Green Bay Wacky is on all social media platforms. Support me by subscribing, becoming a monthly member, go to my About page for merchandise, or simply share my videos.
Yes.
Hey, it's Wacky. Hey, you know what? Sometimes I'd just like to show you stuff like how-to videos, that kind of thing. So check this out. I want to show you my air compressor. Look. I know so many guys, you're resistant to having an air compressor because you think they're too expensive. I wrench everything, bikes, cars, boats, and without this guy, sitting there with the wrench and the frickin' breaker bars and all that stuff. Come here, get over here. So check this out. I just checked online. Now, I got this for $200 a few years ago. They're bulletproof. It's a Kobalt air compressor. It's 175 PSI. This thing spins everything, struts, lug nuts, you name it. This thing has got power. It's got dual inlets for air hoses, which is awesome. You can run two things at the same time. I love that. That's a big feature. I just checked at Lowe's. $256 online right now. I got it on sale for $199. I guarantee you this. If you have a shop, even you could use this. I use it for everything. But here's what I want to show you: is the custom upgrade that I did. I take this thing out. I've got cars and trailers and things that are in the yard. This thing's not plugged in right now, as you can see. So the biggest thing is lugging around these freaking hoses. Like originally I had this idea where I had a hose and it was hanging, all that crap, right? So here's the deal. What I did was I upgraded this thing for about $45. Check this out. Come over here. So I went to Menards and I got this reel. You see how it works with the hand there? This reel was $22.99. That's all it was, $23. And this is a 3/8 hose. You see how it's rubber, so it's very flexible. 50 freaking feet. So what I did, because the Kobalt compressor is perfect for this, look at right here. The handle is welded onto the tank right there. And so what I did was, bring it around here, I used muffler clamps. They were freaking like $2 a piece. And I mounted it right to the handle here. So now I can go out in the yard, I got 50 feet of hose to do whatever I want. And it works great in the winter because it's rubber. And then when I'm done with it, look at this. You just roll it up and away you go. I got one of these at Northern Hydraulics. I've had this guy for like 10 years. Look at this freaking guy. Can't even resemble it anymore. This is a clutch impact driver, 1/2 inch. This thing is freaking bulletproof. I replaced the end ones, that's about it. I'm telling you guys, if you wrench anything, cars, boats, motorcycles, this Kobalt compressor, get over here, look at these gauges. 175 PSI. It will do anything for you. Anything you need for working on cars every day. And look down here. It's got a drain plug so you can get the moisture out. And it's on wheels. I'm telling you, you gotta get one of these. Upgrade it with a hose. Upgrade it with a reel with a couple muffler clamps. Look at this. I got portable Omega. I'm gone. That is the Wacky how-to compressor. You gotta get one. Okay, I love you guys. Remember, I do news, I do comedy, I do live streams. Okay, see ya.